It is that time of year you are preparing for your family to come over, maybe for the holidays, and you want to clean up, and suddenly you see every stain. It's happened to me right now. I am shocked how many stains I really just didn't notice were on my couch or my carpet. Don't worry, there are people on Delmarva who are taking care of you. That is why today we have Eric Farrell with us with Stanley Steemer. Welcome to the CoastLife Couch.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. If Eric looks familiar, he should. I'm going to take you back to the beginning of CoastLife when we first launched. This man is a trooper. We destroyed his carpet at his house. That was a lot of fun for us.
Yeah, it was fun watching it first, but then, panic sets in, but luckily, Stanley Steemer was there to save the day.
They totally did. Your carpet looked so amazing once we were finished. But something that Leah and I have been noticing recently is our CoastLife couch, I hope you can't see it from there, is getting a little yucky. You've noticed it when you came in.
I can see it from here.
You can see it. Yeah. We hide it with our lovely centerpiece, but we have food on the couch. We have paint on the couch from when we did craft segments. There are dogs on the couch every week. They get a little slobbery, a little hairy. And you said, though, we felt gross, but you said this is pretty common in people's homes.
Yeah, okay. I mean, it's a piece that is getting used a lot, and though a lot of times people have rules of no food in the living room or maybe no crafts in the living room, kids will be kids.
Yeah. So you see a lot of food stains. Do you ever see like paint, makeup? That's what we have here.
Yeah. Paint, makeup, food.
All of that.
Anything you can imagine, it gets there.
Nasty. Just kidding. No, it happens to all of us. And you might not know that Stanley Steemer cleans upholstery. You might just think carpets. I thought that at first until we met Eric. So today I'm so excited and grateful. They're going to be cleaning our couch today. Do you have this sort of like process that you go through? Do you need to like inspect the couch first?
Yeah, so I mean, the process for cleaning anything always starts with a pre-inspection. So we'll identify the type of fabric, the cleaning process we're going to use, try to identify some of the spots in the origin, and then we can figure out how to treat them. But the first step is a thorough pre-vacuuming, removing the soiling and dust. Then we'll apply solutions to break the surface tension, emulsify the soil, and then we follow with the hot water to rinse everything out and leave you with a nice, clean piece of upholstery.
I cannot wait. Perfect. And just real quick before we get to that, if other people are watching, I know they're getting ready for family to visit. You want to leave a good impression. Are you seeing more people kind of call for these types of projects?
Yeah, so right now, I mean, obviously you're preparing for holidays, family's going to be coming to town, so maybe you don't want them to know how dirty your upholstery may be or your carpet, so now's a good time to have us in before family comes to town. And even if it doesn't look, maybe you don't have a home where you're getting food or makeup on your upholstery, it acts as a filter. It's a piece of fabric in the room, so it's always filtering the air and does accumulate dust that needs to be removed periodically.
I don't even want to think about that. The sweat, the dog hair, the dust. It's okay. That's why Stanley Steemer is here to help out. So let's get to it, Eric. I'm so excited. Eric, I am excited that our couch is so clean. I'm also disgusted I didn't notice how dirty it really was.
You never really know until you get it cleaned and you see that difference.
Nope. We saw the more prominent stains, like I mentioned earlier, the paint, the makeup, but it definitely was a little lived in.
That's right.
If you will. Well, you cleaned it so quickly. I was a little impressed. I wasn't sure if you were going to get that black paint. He got it. So please, please, please don't forget to call Stanley Steemer. Eric, how can they get in touch with you if they are ready to get their couches cleaned?
So 1-800-STEAMER, 24/7. You'll always get a person, or you can go to StanleySteemer.com and book an appointment without having to talk to anybody.
Easy enough. Carpets, couches, what else do you guys do? Everything.
Any type of flooring, carpets, upholstery, air ducts.
Perfect.
If you can walk on it or sit on it, we'll find a way to clean it.
Amazing. So don't forget to call them. I mean, honestly, we weren't even preparing for any holiday parties, but I'm so glad we got this couch cleaned. Eric, thank you so much, and for your whole team at Stanley Steemer. I feel like I can take a deep breath now that the couch is clean. We have more Coast Life coming your way. We will be right back.
This segment of Coast Life was brought to you by Stanley Steemer.